Hello guys, we are back with another lead code problem. Today we are going to solve jump game second, and it's a highly liked question. It's a 6844. It's a pretty much good question, and it's a medium problem. Let's try to understand what's actually question ask. You have given an array of non-negative integer nums, and you have initially position at the first index of the array. Okay, each element in the array represent your maximum jump length at that position. Okay, your goal is to reach the last index in the minimum number of jump. Okay, you can assume that you can always reach the last index. It's pretty well similar to the first question, but in the first there is a no. It asks to you, is it possible to reaches to the end or not, but in that case you have, it's clear you always reaches to the end, and you have to minimize the number of jump to the reaches to the end. Okay, so in that case, you are given this array and the output is 2. Let's see why the output is 2. The minimum number of jump to reach the last index is 2. Why? jump 1 jump 1 step from 0 to 1. Okay, I'm going to jump this index to this. After that we are then 3 step to the last index, so there is a value 3, so I'll take the jump at most 3. So here I take the jump of 3, so I reaches to the end, so that's why it give me 2. So let's check for this case. First I jump one case because there is a 3 is a greater value. After that I'll take 3 uh, 3 bigger jump, so 0 1 2, I'll reaches to the end. So that's pretty straightforward, and I'm going to solve this problem by using a greedy approach. I'm always try to greed myself, and so when I'm here, so my current index is that, and my whenever my current and my index value is same, then I'll make the jump. For better understanding, now my I is equal to 0. I'm here, this value is indicating 0, and my current index is also 0. In that case I have to take a jump. If I have only one value, so I have to take a jump because it's a current, and without taking a jump I never reaches to the end. So it's make a jump. Let me write some code for your understanding. I'll make a current pointer where under where this represent what's my current location, in which index I stand, and I have to make a count variable in which I store how many number of jump is needed to the reaches to the end. And I'll make one maxi variable which store how far I'm, if I take if I stand here and I take the value, so how far I can go. So that's contain maxi contain that value. In the initial state it's contain 0. It means in initial state, in the current, I'm not able to taking the jump. I'll do some manipulation, after that I update my maxi, then I can be jump. Okay, so that's why I'll just make my maxi is equal to 0 in that case. And yeah, so what I have to do, and I'm also I make n in which it's which represent the size of, so n I plus plus. So what I do, whenever my nums I plus I means where I am standing as well as the value it's greater than my maxi, I have to update my maxi. So I have to update my maxi with nums I plus 1, sorry, I whenever I got reach. And I have to check one, when I take the jump, when my initially says when my current equal to my the the index, when my current position is equal to the index, then I'll have to enhance my count variable. What I say, if I I denoting the current position means index where I computing right now. If this computing index it's equal to my current location means current position, current it's actually say, if I take the jump, if my current means if I take, if I jump from here, I'm going to, I'll take the maximum jump, and where I take the maximum jump, it represents my current actually. And initially my current equal to 0 because there is no any pre-computation value in in the initial, in the starting case. So that's why. And what I do, I enhance my CNT, and CNT do not, I'll take the jump, I'll take in a jump. After that, what I do, I have to enhance my current to the what, my maxi. It maxi contain the value of the how far I can move from the zero index. It store this value, and 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 okay, that's thing. And what I do after that, and nothing. So it going to contain my CNT value. After the all the computation is done, I have to return this CNT. So let me little bit dry run my code for you better understanding. I'll just copy this and paste it here for your understanding purpose. I'll enhance the size of my workspace for uh, clear visibility. So at the position I'm here, so I have to make my current equal to 0, and my maxi is equal to 0, and my pointing right now is at the position of 0. At the position of 0, at the position of 0, my nums value is 2, means it's overall 2. 2 is greater than maxi. Initially my maxi is 0, yes it's greater, so I'll update my maxi to the 2. Okay. After that I'm here, my I is equal to 0 and my current equal to also 0 in initially. So what I do, I take the step, I enhance my current to the my maxi. Now my maxi is at that case, at that scenario my maxi is 2, so current will be 2, and I'll enhance my count. So I'll make a count variable 2, which it initially it's 0, but after that it's 1. So I'm again, now I'm reaching to here at that index. So I equal to 1 and nums I equal to 3, so it means 4. 4 is greater than maxi. Maxi have the value 2, so yes it's greater. So I'll update my maxi to the 4, and after updating I'm here, I is equal to 2 but my current is 1. I is equal to 1 and my current equal to 2, so it's not going to, so this code is not running. So again I'm reaching my I is equal to 2, so it I is equal, at the position of I is equal to 2, it have the value 1, so 2 plus 1 is 3, and max is greater than 3, so it means it's also not run. And I is equal to 2 and my current is equal to what, my current having the value having also 2, so it means it's okay. So it's running the, this code will going to run. My count reaches to 1 to 2. After that my current is maxi have the value 4, so current having the value 4, and after I'm going to check, I'm reaching to here. My I value is 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 is greater than 4, no, so it means I'm not going to update my maxi. If I reach this to here, I equal to current, it means I having the value uh, 3 and current having the value 4, so it's not going to run. I'm again reaches to here, so I having the value what, 4, so I have to make one less step, and so it's going to run till here. So there is a I I can take only 2 step to minimize to reaches to the end in that case. So submit the code and it's accepted. Let's run all the test cases. So I am running for the all the test cases and it's accepted. Let's submit our code, guys. And yeah, that's it, it's accepted, and it's accepted. So if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. I'll be resolve your doubt as soon as possible. And thank you and keep grinding.